All right, you're back with Mint Forge. We're here. We mounted the anvil, and we're gonna use the cutting torch, and we're gonna burn this thing up, and it's gonna be sick, making it look rank. Alright, there you have it. We burnt the anvil. That's how we roll.